Well, you see how that limb's whacking you in the head, right?
That's why you were at.
All right. Well, I've been going along and pruning, and I pruned off this canna lily over here. It's one of these stalks is out in the walkway like that. I mean, it literally is like that, right? So I pruned it off so that we would. You don't want to go there too. Learn from your brother. Shoot. He found out. All right, so I pruned that back. You go, oh no, why'd you prune it? Why'd you prune it? So it's all your fault. It's all Mary's fault. It's all Mary's fault. See, this limb is whacking people in the head. So instead of pruning it off, we're going to lift it. So we're going to establish a place to tie off where the twine's not going to injure the branch. And I'm thinking right here.
Okay.
We're going to use twine, and I wish I had a nice, sturdy, natural twine and not this synthetic stuff.
Wait.
But I got like 50,000 feet of the synthetic stuff a few years ago. Big spool of it. It would cost like maybe $15, $20. It was cheap. And I've been able to use that for gardening projects ever since. Get a big spool of baling twine. That's a great investment if you're going to be gardening. All right, duct tape. If you've watched Redneck University, you know
everything is duct tape.
You can use duct tape for just about darn near anything. And right now, we're going to make...
You do it right to make a good tourniquet.
We're going to make a little pad here to shelter our branch.
You gotta put it in the Y.
From the twine.
Okay. This twine will cut it.
This twine would cut it. Yeah. Oh, pardon me. One of these days I need to get in here and re-level these papers. Yeah.
Yep. Speaking of,
One of these days.
we gotta hang curtains too.
Huh?
Pretty soon we gotta hang curtains too.
All right. But you know, I just realized something.
What?
Mary, you're the smart one. You should realize this.
You gonna take it to the V or the Y?
Aren't I gonna need a protector on the other end?
Well, actually, you could just string it up to that clothesline.
You want me to tie it off all the way back there?
Actually, you can like put the twine all the way around the tree, so scoop it together and then lean it back a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Okay, did I bring enough twine for that? Actually, I think we could
probably
do it your way.
I don't know where else you can tie it off to. The other tree.
Oh, I was going to tie it off back to the same tree.
Well,
back
that
over
one will
here.
just start leaning that way. You
Well,
never know.
it does need to be trained not to grow into the eaves.
Oh, okay, good point. I'm
But,
smart,
I mean,
but
we
you're the
could.
genius.
We could do it. We could do it your way. We could tie it off to the iron on the house. And look at this. This is where she's talking about tying it off over to. Pardon me. Show them where you were thinking about tying it off.
See.
Over there.
That's where the bottle gourds were.
Yeah.
Yep.
But we do want to train this tree to not grow towards the eaves of the house. So,
Okay.
yeah, I thought you were going to call me on that.
I was like, what? Were you going to tie it off at?
And now having the benefit of the experience, I think I'm going to change the way we're making these things.
More duct tape.
Huh?
More duct tape.
More like big square rather than small strip. There we go. More surface area. Because I think this twine's going to slide around a little bit while we're making adjustments.
also
It really
put
is
the
the
tape-
sliding around, huh?
You also could put the tape on the twine.
I could.
It might still pull through.
I could.
Oh, your solar light came on. Ooh, nice.
Huh?
Solar light. Speaking of light, there's a extension cord over there. I think I parked on top of it. I'm sorry.
That was the hookup for.
Is it even plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh, still?
Right. Yeah. It's on now.
All right, so
I had it hooked up to the I have it hooked up to the external lighting system, and as a result of
I'm
that,
thinking something. Oh, it's the paver.
when it's
Paver's not level.
nighttime,
Sorry.
there's power to that plug.
Yeah.
Well, that's whenever Greg needed it, because it was nighttime to run his stuff in his van.
I'm amazed the heat in the summer in Arizona. Did he have an AC in there?
No. He says Oklahoma is actually the worst of it.
Muggy.
Yeah. All right. So here we go.
Oh.
I'm gonna come around on this side.
While you're doing that, I want to ask Brendan a question.
Use that as a little saddle right there, so the twine doesn't hit the tree. All right. Can we see? Okay.
Kinda.
See what we're doing?
More or less.
Bring it back, and I'm gonna wrap it back here.
He was pruning. Then he changed his mind. Thought he'd tie it off.
Who always married said, no, don't prune it, no, don't kill the poor plant. No,
But there was
okay,
some flowers on.
okay, fine. We can do it. We can do this a little differently. Hang on.
Carefully.
Yeah, this is where I need to have 3 hands.
Well, Brendan's really tall.
I'm just waiting until y'all get down so I can
3 hands, 2 heads. One to watch what I'm doing over here, and one of them to watch what I'm doing over there. But the end goal is we're supposed to raise this limb.
Maybe you stick the duct tape in the Y. Put this end in the Y. The one over your left shoulder.
Oh no. Let's not be.
It's gonna slide down.
Let's not be Sunday morning quarterback in here.
It's gonna slide down.
It's not going to go anywhere.
It's gonna slide down.
It's not going to go anywhere.
It's gonna slide down.
It's not going to go anywhere.
Definitely. Definitely.
It's not going anywhere, Mary.
Definitely.
know what
Okay.
he's doing there.
Okay.
Brendan, don't let me forget. I want to ask you something.
All right,
Well, you
we
didn't
need
know.
to kindly bring this around and point to the knot that I'm making right now. Let's point it from this end. Get us a POV
Is it a
here.
Boy Scout knot?
No.
Here you go. Can you see? Oh, this thing.
All right. And we're just going to go here. All right, so that holds the tension. And then you just tighten it up. And now it's not going anywhere.
Oh, so you just
So you make a loop.
pitched it.
Yeah, make a loop. Oh, pull it through.
Make it whack.
And you keep the tension on the back side with your finger here. And then you can tighten the knot.
And then you send me.
And now the more tension you put on it, the tighter it gets. Now you just trim off your excess, sharpen your knife,
Yes.
and there we go.
Great. Was that it?
Well, let's check. Hang on a second. You need to walk through, right?
You go outside.
Hang on a second. Go back here for a second. I'm going to make sure this works.
Did you really?
All right, so here's the test to see if we got it high enough. The tall man needs to walk through.
Yep, you're good.
Tall man can walk through without getting whacked in the head. There we go. Mission accomplished.
Time in a while.
There we go. I've actually cleared the walkway to the grape arbor so that people can walk back and forth without banging themselves on the foliage, because it is a jungle out here. That's all I've got for you tonight, good people. I hope you found this entertaining. If you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there. Get growing.